Hi guys, welcome back to another reel on YouTube channel. Diving up the grams for the wheat so they can stay fresh, healthy, pick with vitamins and fruit. Yeah, guys, stay tuned. Yeah, in those are the stuff I use for the trees to keep them healthy, fresh, and start to harvest really early in good